Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we will share one of the cheapest and easiest ways to clean your car wheels. Check this thing out guys. Okay, see what we have here. This is out of a 2013 Hyundai Elantra, Sonata with 200,000 miles, never been cleaned probably, and in just a few seconds, okay, your wheel will look like that. So how we do that guys? Okay, let me explain to you. So first thing guys, the only thing that we need, do not get anything wet. I'm going to show you. We're going to use purple power. Cleaning your wheels with that thing will cost you probably less than 10 cents per wheel. This is 1 gallon. You can dilute it or you can use it straight out of the thing. It says for auto, home, industry, farm, marine. This thing is amazing. We get a gallon, check it out, list it in the description of the video below. I put usually in some spray bottle. This is from a bug spray, but we just get from a spray bottle. And okay, let me show you now. Right here you want to attack guys through the wheel in every angle, not just one side. Okay, you want to cover the whole wheel out of the sunshine. Do that only out of the sunshine. Do not get it on the car paint because you may need to re-wax your paint. Okay, just like that. I get it on the mud flaps as well. Now check out guys, okay, what's coming out of there. Okay, that's unbelievable, right? Okay, that's what we have. Now what we'll be using guys, just get a quart, okay, soft quart, and start cleaning that thing. Okay, you will not believe the results guys. You need to cover, okay, every little detail. So it's going to take a little bit of time depending on which wheels you have, okay, and how bad they are. Like this one, okay, we can just reapply a little bit more to re-soak it because you can see guys, that wheel hasn't been cleaned in forever. You can spray the inside of the wheel and heat it with a power washer later as well. So always use gloves when I use that product, and I'll recommend to do that in the open air guys, but in the shade, somewhere in shade. So you can see how easy so far it is, right? It's amazing. And you always want to get that little bitty crease there on the bottom. Around the valve stem you have a few spots that always are really hard to clean. Why? Because people never ever clean around the valve stem, especially the ones that have the sensors, okay, the tire pressure sensors like this one here. It will be extremely difficult to get around it, so people usually don't clean there very good at all. And we're almost to the point that we'll show you guys what it's going to look like in just a few seconds. Check out what it's leaking out of the wheel. It's just amazing. Now what we'll do, I'm just going to get a very low pressure power washer. This is very good washer, you can check it out, listed in the description of the video below. Okay, we're going to turn it on now, and I'm going to show you guys after you rinse it off what it's going to look like. Okay, we'll go turn the washer off. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the power washer off, and you can see guys, okay, this is the wheel now. What we use, okay, to shine the tire. Okay, this thing right here, it's Blue Guard by Chemical guys. It's high shine protectant, UV protection for your wheels guys, for your tires, excuse me. Premium tire and trim dressing, restores high gloss, waterproof for longer protection. So we usually dry it. Okay, the best result will be if you let that thing to dry on its own, and when it's dry, okay, you're going to apply on the wheel, on the tire. and you will see how that thing is going to shine, guys. It'll be amazing. So you can see just for a few cents, guys, okay, you can make your wheels and tires look like brand new again. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.